Hey, what's up, you guys? I'm sitting outside in my car because we got a snowstorm, because I live in Wisconsin and that's something that happens here. But I wanted to do a video because I haven't done one in like 7 months, and my nose is running because I was just wiping off my car. But anyway, I haven't made one in 7 months. And every time I make a video, I keep saying, oh, I'll make more videos soon. But, I mean, soon is now, so that's a thing. I'm gonna start making more videos more often, and watch, next time I make a video, it'll be like 7 months from now. But, no, anyway, I wanted to talk about, one YouTuber who actually inspired me a couple of years ago to start YouTube, and then I just haven't gotten around to it till now. Shane Dawson. Because that boy, well, that man, I should say, I think he's like, what, 28, 29? I'm probably lowballing here, but anyway. He has been making YouTube videos for probably 12, maybe almost 15 years, and he inspired me a lot because he was funny and he got me through times. Sorry, my people are texting me and all that stuff. But he got me through some tough times, and I really appreciate the fact that he made the struggles in his life public, like talking about his body image issues, which I've never thought he looked bad, never thought any of that. Because I love the talent that he has and stuff like that. I actually almost met him at the Mall of America, but I got there too late to get a book to meet him. But anyway, that's besides the point. And like his family stuff, like in the past, and going through his coming out and all that stuff, and he's actually been really successful for a long time, so even if they demonetize the videos on YouTube, I still want to keep making them because people like him inspire people like me, and I want to be that for somebody. So, yeah, hopefully I make a video tomorrow. I'm not sure. I've got a friend who's going to help me start recording videos, and then I have another friend who's going to help me edit them. So, yeah. Hopefully I'll make another video tomorrow. Today is Monday the 22nd of January. But, yeah, I don't know.